So my dear children, you are welcome to this class that is photography. Basically, children, professional photographers of all generations knows the importance of photography. If you are unsure or trying to understand what has made photography so important, you need to know these all things. Okay? When we think of photography, the idea of taking and processing photos either casually or in a photo shoot comes into your mind. Superficially, photography is rather very simple, isn't it? You point your lens or something, press a button and take this image. Job over. My dear children, photography at its core is definitely more than that, and that is why it is having different interests, different importance. A painter processes a canvas, isn't it? And you will find that on this canvas they used to illustrate it, isn't it? When they illustrate it, they do it likewise. A photographer has a frame and they do it. They can put anything they want its frame. How is an eye behind the viewfinder supposed to differentiate itself among this crowd? Is it? Especially in the digital world of today, everyone wants to make it very special, where everyone hold a lens everyone hold to get and dignity, and thus is the quality of the camera of the talent of the photographer. Does it matter who even hold the camera? If I were sitting on my couch holding a photo album or a magazine, 2 or 3 decades before, rather than holding my digital camera or phone camera or laptop with the accessibility of the internet, I would say that talent and determination are everything we can count. But in this era, the globalization and hyper modernity, isn't? You need to them both rudiments, the camera and the art of expression, because world today is everything with all about creative innovation, all about creative innovation. you have come to know that every picture is having its own story. It used to give some story. And many times I have told you, it used to give some messages. Okay. Imagine someone telling you a story in 1 second, or 1 by 125 second, 1 by 60 second. Is it? I believe a photograph or a still image holds extraordinary power, because the story cannot be within that period of time, which is 1 by 125, 1 by 60 or 1 by 30. But you can make a story. It can brand itself into back to your brain, allowing you to visually distill a scene in mere second. Every powerful photograph, every powerful image, okay, is having its own universe, own world, and different dimension. You see any picture, a portrait or a illustrated picture or a landscape or an image of the house function. House function means in-house the function take place, birthday, something going on around, is it? You know what is led to this photograph. A single click can unfold the untold story. So, it's more important than any other thing to get the picture, click the picture, hold the picture, continuously click the picture, you will get the things, and it will help a lot to you. I think you are doing photography, you do photography, and you do photography. Children, during this period of time, this stretch of time where bodies are not constant fixture to complete this rapacious worldly things, meanwhile, mind and soul are hatching of consolation and solace. We find ourselves warm out of this never-ending mundane of today, tomorrow, and yesterday. We all need some activity to elude daily mayhem, something unworthy and palpable, something therapeutic, and a salvation. And you can do it. You can do it by a camera. It depends on you that how you are able to use it, how you are able to take it.